Hello, Jay the Shark here for 5-Star Marine. Now, behind me is one of our beautiful 39-foot luxury speedboats, and I'm going to walk you through it. Ready? Good, let's go! So, this is the back deck, and I said back deck. Now this is Lisa 6. Now this is the only one with a little back seat, but it's very cool, so you can sit back and you'll do a bit of fishing, you can. But all of our boats have 2 ladders, one long ladder and one short ladder, and a whole back deck. The reason we have a back deck makes it easier to get in and off when you're going snorkeling, and it protects you from these 2 things behind me, which are 2 engines. Why do we have 2 engines? Well, you need 2 engines because it's quite a big boat. But also, if one engine breaks down, we've got another one to back it up. Good, eh? Yay! So this is the inside of our boat, which is covered, which means it keeps you out of the sun, and it's got extra padded seats, which are lovely. What do you think, Jay? Oh, thanks, Jay. Well, we also provide snorkeling equipment. That's right, on all our tours, well, those ones you're going to go snorkeling, you get snorkeling equipment and life jackets, because everyone needs a life jacket, don't you? Yay! So, all of our boats come with an ice box or an esky. That's what they call it in the good old Australia. In the esky, we supply water. Look at that, 5-Star branded water and soft drinks. There you go, which are very nice. Now you can use that, so if you want to bring your own drinks, you can, and you can use our ice box. Good, eh? And an extra one, just in case you're really thirsty. Woohoo! So all of our boats come with a sound system that you can connect via your own phone with Bluetooth. So you can play your own sounds on your boat trip. Like this! Is that too much? This is where the captain sits, and he has a GPS here and also a VHF radio. So if there's any problems, he can call someone and we know exactly where we are, which is good, eh? All of our boats have a little toilet. Now, one thing, it's not a huge toilet, that's for sure. It's a little toilet, but it's good enough.
That's what she said.
So if you need to, excuse me, go, then you can go. Ooh. Outside area, so if you want to bronze in the tropical sun, you can. Just make sure you wear sun cream and a hat. You can buy these hats at our website. Just go to 5starmarinephuket.com/merchandise. But it's huge. You can sit here, you can sit here, or here, or here, or even here. So there you go, our beautiful luxury 39-foot speedboats. VIP, baby. That's right. Hey, do you want to see an aerial shot of it? Okay.